Hello guys, today I'm at my YouTube channel. Please first like and subscribe. Today I'm going to show you a video of my field. Now you are gonna see my field in 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's start. First we have a lot of garlic in our garden. And we have spinach, chili, beans, avocado, we have chili over here also. We have a tree of an pomegranate, mango, lemon. We have asparagus, and we have another asparagus, and we have tomato also. We have cauliflower also, tomatoes, onion. Thank you. Please like and subscribe.